Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how you can change the color of the background of an image in Adobe Photoshop. As you can see, I have this image and the background color is something more like cyan. So we're going to change this color to our desire. To do that, you just need to take a copy of this layer. I'm going to click on the background layer and drag it to the new layer. And here I'm going to add the hue and saturation. Now I'm going to select the properties. I'm going to bring it here. If you don't see the panel here, you just need to go to the windows and here you can find the properties. Now I'm going to select this as the master. I'm going to select this option and select the color that I want to change. I'm just selecting on the background and here I can change the color now. And here you can see by changing the hue, you can change the color of the background. If you want the darker version of this, you just need to increase the saturation. And by this method you can change the color of the background, and that's the easiest way I know how to change the color of the background of an image. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumb up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.